Ever pondered the notion of growing your own vegetables at home? A windowsill vegetable garden serves as a perfect solution. This simple, rewarding practice not only provides fresh produce, but also transforms your windowsill into a green oasis. Step 1. Choosing the right spot. Natural light is key to plant growth. A south-facing window is ideal. However, any spot that receives a minimum of 6 hours of sunlight daily will suffice. Step 2. Selecting the right containers. Almost any container can be transformed into a plant pot, provided it has sufficient drainage. From traditional clay pots to repurposed mason jars, the options are endless. Remember, the size of the container will dictate the size of the plant it can support. Step 3. Selecting the vegetables. Not all plants are suitable for windowsill gardens. Some vegetables, such as lettuce, radishes, and herbs like basil and parsley, thrive in these conditions. Step 4. Planting the seeds. Fill the containers with potting soil, leaving about an inch from the top. Plant the seeds as per the instructions on the packet. Water the soil gently, ensuring it's moist but not waterlogged. Step 5. Caring for the plants. Regular watering and sunlight are crucial. Rotate the pots regularly to ensure all sides of the plants receive equal light. Be watchful for signs of pests or diseases and take action at the first sign of trouble. Step 6. Harvesting. The moment of truth. Harvesting times vary depending on the vegetable. Generally, when the plant looks ripe and ready, it's time to enjoy the fruits or vegetables of your labor. To summarize, starting a windowsill vegetable garden involves 6 key steps. First, choose a sunny spot. Second, pick suitable containers with good drainage. Third, select appropriate vegetable seeds. Fourth, plant the seeds in the soil and water gently. Fifth, care for the plants with regular watering, rotation, and vigilance for pests. Lastly, harvest your vegetables when they're ready. Remember, patience is a virtue when it comes to gardening. It might take a few tries to get it right, but the satisfaction of eating homegrown vegetables is well worth the effort. With these steps in mind, you're now equipped to transform your windowsill into a thriving vegetable garden.